Okay, this is a word problem, but it essentially is just asking you to do, some of the standard math we've been doing here. Plans for a bridge are drawn on a coordinate grid. One girder of the bridge lies on the line y equals negative 4x minus 1. A perpendicular brace passes through point negative 6 comma 3. Write an equation of the line that contains the brace. So what we want to do is we want to use the equation that they gave us uh, for one girder and identify what the slope is, and we see that the slope is negative 4. And since our equation is going to be perpendicular to that, we are going to use the slope of 1/4, which is the opposite reciprocal of negative 4. Okay? And the point is the brace is passing through point negative 6 comma 3, so we're going to use this point right here, the x and y coordinates, and it says write an equation, but notice that it doesn't say in any particular form, right? We could just write any equation that fits this, and it doesn't have to be in, say, slope-intercept form, so we should use point-slope form, because point-slope form is super easy, because we already have the point, we already have the slope, and once we fill those values in, we're just done with it already. Okay, so we say y minus whatever the x coordinate is that they gave, the y coordinate that they gave us, which is 3, equals m. The slope that we're using is 1/4 because that's the opposite reciprocal of the slope we had for the other equation. And x minus the x coordinate that they gave us of negative 6. Okay, and then the last thing we just have to do is we need to simplify it out. The way that we're simplifying it is to say, instead of minus and negative 6, we just say plus 6. Okay, that is in point slope form. We could rewrite this any way we want. We could start manipulating it, and if we had any equivalent equations, we'd be good. Okay, but you see down there in their answers, the answers that they're giving us are using point slope form because that's the obvious, easiest form to write. So what are we looking for? We're looking for y minus 3 equals 1/4 parentheses x plus 6, and that is answer D. Done.